Hey there. Yeah, you. Yeah, the one sitting on the floor looking like a lost puppy dog. Looks like you've got yourself a new baby. Well, congratulations. That's one beautiful looking bundle of joy you've got there. Word on the street, though, is you're struggling a little bit. Let me guess. Those flabby arms of yours are burning from holding that tiny little watermelon all day long, right? Shins are kind of screaming at you from banging into the car seat when you're trying to carry it. Your partner's sending you death threats and you're not entirely sure why. Well, not to worry, my friend. That's where I come in. Look, your heart's in the right place, even if your brain isn't. I mean, that's why you're watching this video, no? I thought so. Lucky for you, there are some extremely practical tips that I can share with you to whip you back into shape and get your partner singing your praises again. Well, take my hand and I will guide you through these 8 extremely practical tips to help new dads get through this trying time. Just go ahead and put the baby Hey, that's okay. We'll work on that.